Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to use the timeline view in Asana. This is your complete 2025 guide to mastering this essential feature. Our first step is to open up your Asana project. Once you're in, navigate to the top of the page where you see the different view options. Click on Timeline. The reason we do this is because the timeline view allows you to see your project's tasks laid out on a visual timeline. Now that we've done that, you will see your tasks spread across a linear timeline. You can click and drag tasks to reschedule them. This helps us because we can easily adjust our project timeline with a simple drag of the mouse, keeping our project adaptable and dynamic. Next up, let's connect dependencies. This is where the power of timeline really shines. To create a dependency, hover over a task, click on the connector icon that appears, and drag it to another task. The reason we do this is to show that one task can't start until another is finished. It's a great way to prevent roadblocks in your project. Now let's move on to collapsing and expanding task dates. Click on the arrow next to a task to see its subtasks. You can collapse them to simplify your timeline or expand them to see all the details. This helps us because it gives us control over how much detail we want to see at any given time. Following that, let's make use of the zoom feature. Use the slider at the bottom of the page to zoom in or out of your timeline. This helps us see our project from different perspectives, either with a close, detailed view or a broader, big picture view. As we wrap up, remember that the timeline view in Asana is a powerful tool to visualize your project schedule, adjust timelines easily, connect dependencies, control the level of detail you view, and zoom in and out to view your project from different angles. And that's it. You now know how to use the timeline view in Asana. Don't forget to play around with these features to fully grasp how they can enhance your project management. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.